Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Several students have opted out for November 2020 attempt and are planning to write their examinations again in the second cycle of November 2020, that is January 2000, which are scheduled to be conducted in January 2021. So if you fall under this category and are planning to attend for crash batch coaching of IPCC or CA Inter, then this video is meant for you. So of course, students who are aiming to write May 2021 attempt can also watch this video because it's useful for those students also. In this video, I am going to explain you about IPCC or CA Inter pre-results crash batches for January or May 2021 attempt that we are introducing in Masterminds. We have started this batch aiming for January 2021 attempt. Of course, students of May 2021 attempt can also attend coaching for these crash batches. So separate batches will be there for group 1 and group 2 under new syllabus, that is CA Inter. Students can join in any one group of their choice. Of course, everybody knows that it's not possible to attend for coaching of both the groups, because for each group coaching will be there on full day basis. Coaching will be given as per new syllabus, that is CA Inter. Of course, with respect to old students, there are certain subjects which are very much similar between old and new syllabus, and students of old syllabus can comfortably attend coaching for those subjects. The subjects are law, costing, income tax, GST, auditing, financial management. So as far as these subjects are concerned, there is no difference between old and new syllabus, and students of old syllabus can comfortably appear for coaching under new syllabus for these subjects. Available in Guntur only, crash batches will be there in Guntur only, but we need to understand that classes are going to be conducted through Zoom platform. That means students of any branch from any place can comfortably attend for these classes. So these batches are going to commence on 30th November itself at 3:30 p.m. On the same date and time, we are going to commence group 1 as well as group 2 crash batches. So several students are asking why this much early. The reason is very simple. We need to make you ready by January 2021 attempt itself. So since the available time is very less, so we don't want to take any risk and would like to commence the batch immediately so that we can do justification to coaching. Most probably syllabus of group 1 will be completed by January 15th itself, and syllabus of group 2 will be completed by January 20, because Group 1 exams are scheduled to be conducted from January 21st, and it will take at least 1 week more to commence the examinations of Group 2. That means students who are going to appear for Group 2 will have more time. That's why we are extending the coaching till January 20th, 2021 for Group 2 batch students. So 1 or 2 days of delay is expected. Based on circumstances, we may take a decision. Subject-wise coaching is also allowed for all the subjects. Whatever be the subject you would like to attend, you can attend the same. For all students of 43rd regular batches, we will provide free admission to Group 1 or Group 2 crash batch as per your wish. It's a benefit that we have already promised to the students of 43rd session regular batch. So you can attend crash batch coaching for Group 1 or Group 2 as per your wish, of course, subject to some conditions. Hours of coaching. So for each batch, we are going to give coaching for 400 hours. Of course, in our earlier batches, it used to be 500 hours, but now we are offering coaching for 400 hours. There are several institutions who are trying to finish up the coaching in just 250 hours. We are not planning in that manner. We are going to give a detailed coaching for 400 hours. Sir, is it possible to teach all the chapters in these 400 hours? Definitely not. We are going to leave few unimportant chapters. Of course, whoever is offering crash batch coaching in this short span of time need to leave few unimportant chapters. We are also following similar strategy. But we are something different from all other institutions who are offering crash batch coaching. We are not going to leave any of the chapters completely. Whatever the chapters we are not going to teach directly, we will provide video classes for those chapters. That means approximately for 100 hours of syllabus, we will provide video classes. So for 400 hours, we will take live classes. For 100 hours, we will provide video classes. That means whatever we taught in our earlier batches for 500 hours, we are continuing the same in this batch also. But 400 hours live classes, 100 hours video classes. That is the only difference. So other institutions, what they are doing is, they are simply not teaching few unimportant chapters. Of course, since they are teaching in only 250 hours, they will be forced to leave some important chapters also. But we are not going to follow such kind of strategy. We are going to give a detailed coaching for all the chapters, just like our earlier crash and regular batches. That's why we have decided to provide coaching for 500 hours, 400 hours of online classes, 100 hours of video classes. So this is something different from what all other institutions are doing. That means we will cover 100% syllabus even in this short span of time. So no other institution across India are teaching crash batches for this many number of hours. We can proudly say this because the available time is very less. Several institutions are teaching crash batch in just 250 hours. They are forced to skip even important chapters. There is no other option to them because in just 250 hours they cannot teach everything. Of course, we are also skipping few unimportant chapters, but we are providing video lectures for those unimportant chapters. So technically we are teaching all the chapters, which is something different from what all other institutions are offering. To which kind of students crash batches are recommended? So several students are having this dilemma. Is it really required to join for crash batch? There are some students who were supposed to write their exams in May 2020, but they have written their exams in November 2020. Even then, that means even after getting around 6 months of additional time, what we found is several students were unable to write their exams well. Most probable reason might be home preparation. So, just by attending crash batch for one more time, don't expect any wonders to happen. Wonders does not happen just by attending coaching. If that being the case, those who attend coaching are bound to qualify in the public exams, but that will never happen. So coaching can only contribute in your success for only 20%. 80% of your success depends on how much of practice that you do, because you are going to appear for a written exam. You are not going to appear for a oral exam. You shall not forget that. So practice makes a lot of difference, and you need a proper study environment to study. So considering all these factors, please try to understand that coaching is not going to do any wonders. Rather than wonders are going to happen if you attend for our revision exams and study hours batches. So we will conduct study hours physically and will make you to study well. This kind of study environment will not be there at your home. By this time you might have got clarity that home preparation will not be productive. On the other hand, if you have taken your coaching recently, then there is no need to take coaching again. So it's better to join for revision exams and study hours batches physically rather than crash batch. If your concepts are good, then no need to join for coaching again, because just by attending coaching, no wonders are going to happen. You need a lot of practice. So since you have appeared for examinations, by this time you might have got clarity that coaching is not going to help you. So what is going to help you is right way of preparation. That's why I recommend majority of the students to join for revision exams and study hours batches rather than crash batch. Of course, if your concepts are not good, then you better attend coaching for crash batches. So of course, by taking admission and revision exams batches, you can attend coaching for few selective subjects in crash batches also. So you can join for revision exams batches. And if you want to attend coaching for few selective subjects in crash batches, you can do so. In revision exams batches, we will conduct study hours physically. If you are not interested to attend study hours physically, then you can appear for revision exams alone. So this facility of revision exams is available in all our branches. For revision exams batch students, we have released separate schedules for the students of January 2021 attempt as well as May 2021 attempt. If you are planning to write only one group in January 2021, then there are separate schedules for group 1 and group 2 under old and new syllabus. If you are planning to write both groups in May 2021, then we have separate schedules for old syllabus and new syllabus. In that manner, we have designed separate schedules for January 2021 attempt and May 2021 attempts. If you have taken regular batch coaching in one institution, then it is better to join for crash batch in the same institution. Why? Whenever you change an institution, the entire set of materials will change. So since materials are going to change, there will be drastic change in the approach, which you may not be able to accustom in this short span of time. That's why the institution in which you have attended regular batch, it's better to attend crash batch also in the same institution, because the materials are going to remain same and you will have that advantage. We have already started physical study hours for revision exam students, and more than 75 students are already attending for the same in our Guntur branch. Similar number of students are already attending in our all branches put together. About our faculty. So our faculty team is our asset. So teaching by best team of expert, well experienced and well qualified faculty who produce the best results in South India. So our results speak loud and clear about the quality of faculty that we are providing. So totally there are 8 papers but they will be dealt by 12 different faculty members. So that shows the importance that we give to specialization. For example, our strategic management will be dealt by a different faculty and EAS will be dealt by a different faculty. That shows the importance that we give for specialization. Similarly, our income tax will be dealt by one faculty and GST will be dealt by another faculty. So in that manner, we will provide specialized faculty for all the subjects. So that kind of specialized faculty you can find only in Masterminds. I have found several institutions where a single faculty will be dealing multiple subjects. How can they justify you? So whereas in our case, even one single subject will be dealt by multiple faculty. For example, our account subject will be dealt by 2 different faculty, so that they can give the benefit of, they can pass on the benefit of specialization to you. In Guntur alone, we have a team of more than 32 faculty members to teach various subjects of CA Inter. In all branches put together, we have a team of similar number of faculty. Some of our CA Inter faculty will even teach for CA final students. For each subject, we have specialized faculty. Some subjects will be taught even by multiple faculties so as to pass on the benefit of specialization to you. Experience of each faculty in our team ranges from 6 to 10 years. Each of the faculty members have been teaching CA Inter with us from the past several years. So personal care on each and every student. Everybody knows that Masterminds takes a lot of care with respect to their students. So directors will directly interact with the students, and all our directors will directly give their mobile numbers to the students. Students can pass on a message or make a call at any point of time to any of our directors. That means they can directly interact with any of our directors without any hesitation. You cannot find this kind of personal care in any other institution. About our materials, Masterminds is very popular with respect to the materials being provided by us. We will not provide any hard copies of materials to crash batch students. We will arrange soft copies only, and students need to arrange Xerox copies of the same on their own. We have a policy of providing updated material for each and every batch of CA Inter. So for each batch we will provide updated materials. Actually, we have started our material work 2 months back itself, and we are still in the process of updating the materials. For example, as far as law is concerned, we have already released updated material for around 6 chapters. We are still working on the same. We are about to release few more chapters in this week. So we will not be able to provide the material for all the chapters at a time. We will be providing the materials as and when they get ready to you. Each and every material will be verified by our academic director, Prakash sir. Across the nation, Mastermind students may not be there, but I can surely say that across the nation, students following our materials will be there. A team of more than 30 persons, including consisting of faculty, supporting faculty, computer operators, etc., are getting involved in our material updation work. A material being prepared by one faculty will be verified by at least 3 different faculty to see that it's going to be error-free. Examinations. Masterminds is very unique in this aspect. I have seen several institutions who does not even care about examinations. So they feel that students need to appear for a oral exam. But don't forget, you need to appear for a written exam, which requires a lot of practice. Without attending examinations, how can you get that practice? Without writing an exam, how can you know whether you are confident in the subject or not? So recently you might have written your exams. By the time you go to the exam hall, you might have confidence with respect to your preparation. But once after looking at the question paper, you might have faced a lot of difficulty in answering them. Why? Just because of one reason. You don't have enough practice of writing the exams. So as and when you write exams, you will get enough practice. With that practice, you can appear for public exams in a very confident manner. So we will conduct chapter and exams at the end of each chapter on every Sunday. That means on every Sunday, you are supposed to write examinations. Sized answers. After completion of each revision exam, we will provide you a copy of sized answers so that you can immediately assess your performance. Valuation. So valuation will also be done by us so that we will identify the mistakes done by you and will provide a valuation report to each and every student personally. So preparation of question papers and sized answers. So triple level of verification will be done with respect to our question papers and sized answers so as to ensure that we provide best quality services to the students. So complete work with respect to preparation of question papers, sized answers and valuation of papers will be closely monitored by our academic director Prakash sir. So these examinations will not be conducted to the students who join for subject-wise coaching. We will be conducting these examinations to the students who take coaching for the entire group. We can proudly say that no other institution in South India is conducting examinations. So Masterminds is the only institution to conduct such examinations. Our exams are really important. Yes, they are important. Don't forget that you need to handle new problems in public exams. By writing multiple exams, you will get enough practice and you will get enough courage to handle a new question paper or a new problem. You are not going to appear for oral exams. You need to appear for written exams. Without enough practice, you cannot handle the public exams. So since you have already appeared for public exams, by this time you might have understood the importance of writing enough number of exams and having enough practice. If you have already attempted exams in November 2020, then you might have realized the importance of having enough practice in writing exams. Across the country, Masterminds is the only institute to conduct weekend exams for crash batch students. You better avoid the institutions that does not conduct exams in a consistent manner. You better choose an institution which conducts exams in a consistent manner like Masterminds. We have seen several institutions who does not follow any academic program. So unlike others, we have an established and time-tested academic program. On the first day you join for crash batch, we will provide our academic program document to you. It consists of detailed information with respect to our academic program which we are going to follow. Our examinations, our rework policy, all these things are part of our academic program. So we have even shared our academic program to the students groups earlier itself. So I request all the students to go through the same. So whenever you want to join in some other institution which offers IPCC crash batches, you first ask them what is their academic program. You better analyze the academic program in a detailed manner. So join in that institution only if you are confident of the academic program being followed by them. We will provide our detailed academic program to all the students. For example, there are numerous advantages of rework problems in our material. For example, let us assume we teach around 10 problems in a chapter in accounts. Correspondingly, we will make you to prepare for another 10 problems in the name of assignment problems, which is called rework. So let us assume today we have taught 2 problems to you. You are supposed to solve 2 more problems on your own and you need to submit the same to us in the name of rework. Even in this pandemic situation, we are going to continue the concept of rework. So similarly, there are numerous advantages of weekend exams. All these things are part of our academic program. Doubts clarification. So in the last 5 minutes of each class, students can directly interact with the faculty and clarify their doubts. We have already started a Telegram group for doubts clarification in Telegram, in which students can post their doubts and faculty will clarify the same. We can proudly say that when we launched this Telegram channel, in just a matter of 3 days, More than 3,000 students have joined in the group. So mode of teaching. So classes will be taught using Zoom platform only. Everybody needs to follow the same. All our faculty will teach the classes using touch-enabled laptop for best quality output. So medium of teaching. 80% of our teaching will be done in English and 20% of the teaching will be done in Telugu. Actually, all our faculty can teach even 100% in English, but we are limiting ourselves to 80% for the convenience of the students. More than half of our faculty members will be teaching the classes completely in English, depending on the importance of the subject. So hostel facility. Actually, classes are going to be conducted in online for crash batches, but still, if students desire, they can come and stay in our hostel in Guntur and can attend online classes. This hostel facility is available for both boys and girls separately in Guntur. So our experience. 18 years of experience in dealing CA and CMA courses and 19th year is running now. We have already finished that 135 batches of CA Inter in Guntur and finished similar number of batches in our branches together. We have already completed 14 batches of CMA Inter and 15th batch is running now. Right now we are dealing with more than 150 batches of various courses in Zoom platform. Our recent crash batches. So when on one side several institutions struggled hard to finish their syllabus. They have announced one date for syllabus completion and took more than 1 week to finish off the syllabus. But ours is not the case. In our case, whatever the date we have announced for syllabus completion, we were able to finish off the syllabus 10 days ahead of that original date. That means we are able to finish off the syllabus on time. We have covered 100% syllabus in those crash batches just like regular batches. More than 1200 students have benefited from our crash batches including RRB batches. Fee details. So compared to our earlier batches, we have drastically reduced the fees. We just want to help the students in this pandemic situation. Across India, we are charging the most affordable fee for these crash batches. We are charging just 25 rupees per hour. So earlier GST does not use it to apply for us, but from May 2020 onwards we come into ambit of GST. So whatever the fees that we are charging from you, we need to pay 18% towards GST and only the remaining amount will come to us. SSP 1 or 2 or 3 students of 43rd regular batch students are eligible for one-time free admission. Either for crash batch or for revision exams and study hours batch, subject to some conditions. So don't compare the fee alone, please compare the quality also. We will teach this batch in 400 hours and will provide video classes for 100 hours. That means we are teaching you effectively for 500 hours. All the remaining institutions are finishing off everything in 250 hours. That means they are just charging 50%, they are just giving coaching in 50% of time in which we are providing. Why we teach for more number of hours when compared to other institutions? We want to give a detailed coaching to all the students and we want to give an experience which is nearer to that of regular batch. But whereas in all other institutions, they will briefly cover the chapters. So let us assume we cover a chapter in 10 hours, but they will cover in just 5 hours. I don't think that students will get justified with that brief coaching. So if some other institutions are able to finish off coaching in just 20 to 50 hours, that means they are not doing enough justification to the students. In metros, we have seen that same crash batch will be taught in just 250 hours. In such a case, how fees will be comparable? So while comparing the fees also compare the number of hours of teaching. We are teaching with a team of 30 faculty members with specialized faculty for each of the subjects. But you cannot find this kind of situation in any other institutions, where only 4 to 5 faculty will be teaching all the subjects and even one faculty will be teaching multiple subjects without giving you the benefit of specialization. If you want to compare the fee, then compare even the ranks and other achievements of us along with fee. We offer best coaching which is evident by our best results achieved by us. We are providing latest edition of perfect material which is a very costly affair and which no other institution is able to provide. Also compare our experience of 18 years in dealing with CA CMA courses. Our achievements in IPCC are CA Inter or CMA Inter level. We have secured 88 ranks at IPCC or CA Inter level, but not in CMA Inter. In the last 7 years, that is 14 attempts. That means on an average, for each attempt, we are securing around 12 ranks per annum or 6 ranks per attempt. No other institution in AP and Telangana is even nearer to these results. We have secured 41 ranks at IPCCR CA entry level in the last 3.5 years, that is just 7 attempts. So on an average, we are getting around 12 ranks per annum or 6 ranks per attempt. No other institution in AP and Telangana is even nearer to these results. All these results indicate the quality of education being provided by us. And achieved All India first rank in IPCC level, achieved All India 4th, 5th and 6th single digit ranks at IPCCR CA entry level. In IPCCR CA entry results of February 2019 and August 2019 alone, nearly 4,000 students have qualified either single or both groups. That means we are number one not only in terms of ranks but also in terms of number of students who are qualified. All these things indicate the quality of coaching being provided by us. We can proudly say that no other institution in South India has got this much of track record. We have uploaded all the details of students including hall ticket numbers in our Facebook page with respect to the students who have qualified. All these things will indicate the evidence of transparency that we maintain in announcing our results. Our achievements at CA are CMA final level. So we can proudly say that we are offering coaching even for CA final students also. In November 2019 session in Guntur branches together, we have offered services either in the name of coaching or in the name of revision exams and study hours for 2,000 CA final students. We can proudly say that no other institution in South India is having this many number of students for CA final. So 24th batch of CA or CMA final is running. CA final students are very matured and they take decisions in a very calculated manner. We are very proud that we are able to grab the confidence of such kind of CA final students. Our old student Guram Pranit achieved All India first rank in CA final results of November 2019 attempt. Thanks to our Chief Minister sir to felicitate him. So first rank in CMA final results of February 2018. In the last 3 attempts of CA final, 2,800 students have qualified CA final with our institution. That means we are number one not only in terms of number of ranks but also in terms of number of students who are getting qualified CA final. So all these things indicate the quality of coaching being delivered by us. I request all the students to consider all these factors and take a wise decision whether to join for revision exams or study hours batches. I personally recommend to go for revision exams and study hours batches rather than crash batches. If at all you decide to attend crash batches, you need to take a decision whether you want to attend coaching for group 1 or group 2, because coaching for both the groups is not possible to take at a time. Either a student can take coaching for group 1 or group 2, only one group at a time. All the best, my dear students.